This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, automatic locking wheel hubs, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, door reinforcement beams, and a vehicle anti-theft system. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Hagerstown Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1714 Massey Boulevard in Hagerstown.